Hey guys, Cornfield here, and welcome back to the HTML5 tutorial, episode 2. Dos. And today we are going to be getting into some of the coding. And, so what we're gonna do is today we are going to be starting on actually learning the code. And last episode I showed you your way around this program. So let's get some code in. So I'm not going to tell you what everything does in this tutorial, but I'm going to show you some stuff to write. So what you need to do is write this. So now, before we even get that, everything in HTML is run by these things called tags. And tags, what they do is tags allow you to open something up. So our first tag is going to be what I tell here. And basically, this just tells the computer that, okay, we're going to be using this language for this piece of code. So type this. Alright, so first you want to type that, and then what you want to do is hit enter. And now we want to create our HTML tags. And everything that we write is going to go inside these HTML tags. Okay, and you saw right here, I put this little backslash. And what this backslash does is says, okay, this is the end of the tag. Stop reading this tag. And tags will have a lot more of use later when we get into divs, spans, and to IDs and classes. But for now, we're not going to worry about that. And usually, the conventional way not the conventional way, but the only way to do it, is to, when you have to close the tag in the order they were open. So these HTML tags are going to be always on the very end, because this one was open first, that means it has to get closed last. So, I'm going to show you an example. Don't worry about what this means, but so you see I put these heading tags in? Well, head tags in. And I have to open them like this. And usually every time you open a tag, it's conventional to indent to keep your code nice and neat. So in these head tags, what you need to do is put something called title. And the way you do it is by doing this. So these are title tags. And like you see this thing called render online HTML5 blah blah blah. Well, that's what's going to show up there whenever you type in here. So like say I type like I said that. So if I ran this, it's nothing's going to show up there because that's basically what's going to show up. So title is basically, now you don't actually have to write any of this code. Rendera, if you're using Rendera, will automatically fill this code in for you. Then it will also fill in this piece of code, and this is called your body. And your body, basically, what your body does is actually what shows up on the screen. So what you do is this. Now remember, you don't have to type any of the code I'm typing right now. Rendera automatically fills this in for you. So then you have your body tags. Conventional to indent. Sorry about that. Somebody came down. So where was I? Where was I? So yeah, your body contains everything that shows up here. So I can show this by inspecting this element, and you see, they have something weird there. But you got your body, and everything inside here is the body. Okay? So everything that's on the web page is the body. Like if I go into the head, nothing shows up. And if I go to the HTML tag, well, it selects everything because it is everything. But yeah. So and then this doc.html you see specifies what we are doing. But basically, this is what Rendera will automatically write all this code. But if you're not using Rendera, you gotta type this in. So I think that's gonna be all for today's tutorial. Just get the basics, and I would recommend just practice this until you got it memorized, and then when you have that, you're ready to move on to the next stage. And I am going to create a permanent link, and this would be in the description below that you can check it out. So you can check out this code. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, whoops, wrong button.